Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and reactivate a listing that you have in your Etsy store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into our account if you have not already. So if you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create one. So after logging in, now we can get started accessing the shop manager. We have the shop manager option right here. This is going to enable us to set up a store if you do not already have one set up. If you already have a store, it's going to enable you to access your store settings, listings, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to go ahead and reactivate a listing that we have deactivated. So as you can see in this Etsy Help Center article right here, we have the step-by-step on how to deactivate a listing. If you need that as well, you're going to open up your shop manager, and in your listings, you're going to deactivate whatever listing you have. But after that, if you want to reactivate it, you're going to follow the steps right here. So open up the shop manager just like explained and open up your listing section. Once you open up your listings, you can click the inactive listing on your listing status and take a look at all the listings that you have that are currently inactive, and then you can check the listings you want to reactivate by clicking the checkbox next to their name, and after that just click activate at the top of the page. Using the steps right here, you're going to go ahead and be able to reactivate them, pay the fee, and they are going to be available on your store again, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.